Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a napkin into a decorative pocket to hold your silverware. I'll be using a cloth napkin, but this also works well with a paper napkin. So first we're going to bring each of these four corners into the center. Next we're going to bring this bottom corner right up to the top corner. Next we're going to fold that top corner down to this edge. Next we're going to bring this corner into the center. And we're going to open this up and we're going to turn it into a squash fold. So to do that, you open this pocket right here. And then bring this point straight up, and it should form a nice little square. Now do the same thing on the other side. Next we're going to bring this square over just a little past the center line. So we're going to swing this edge over, holding this flap up to about right here. And do the same thing on the left side. Now you're ready for your silverware. Could add the knife right in the middle. Now I do have a playlist full of tutorials on how to fold a bunch of different silverware pockets. I'll link to that right here and in the description below. But if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.